Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to take a backup of your emails in Outlook. So let's go. The one thing that you must know is that this cannot be done on www.outlook.com. This cannot be done on your mobile device and it cannot be done on the web address. So we have to jump into the desktop app, and on the left hand side you will see File, and we're going to travel down to Open and Export. And once this is open here, we're going to look for Import and Export. Now, the little window that pops up is basically the import and export wizard, which you'll be able to import and export any type of data that is on your Outlook program. So over here, we're going to go ahead and we are going to select the export to a file, and we're going to tap on next. And here we need to select the Outlook data file. So this is in a PST format, and we're going to tap on next. And here we need to make sure that we are selecting our entire folder or our entire account. So if you don't want to just export our inbox or just our calendar, we want to do the entire account. Okay, and then also make sure that the icon that says include subfolders is checked in blue, and we're going to tap on next. Now this will allow us to create a backup of everything in Outlook. And here we want to allow duplicate items to be created. If you have previously backed up, you want to make sure that you're backing up not from that point onwards, but from your entire inbox or your entire email address. And then we're going to tap on finish, and here you will add a password. So we're going to just go ahead and we're going to enter in a password, and here we're going to just enter it again, and then we're going to say save this password in your password list. Now if you want to, you can do so. If you don't, you can leave it unchecked, and we're going to just say okay. And here it is now asking for that password, and we are going to say okay. Now what will happen is your backup will now be exported to your device that you're working on, and you're done. If this was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.